In this video, I'll guide you through how to add a Namecheap domain to your Cloudflare dashboard. Whether you're doing this to improve your website's performance, security, or just to manage your DNS in a cleaner way, I'll walk you through each part of the process so it feels straightforward and manageable. First, make sure you're signed in to your Cloudflare account and you're on your main dashboard. This is the page you'll see right after logging in, where Cloudflare shows any sites you already have set up. If this is a brand new account, the dashboard might look a bit empty, and that's completely fine. On the dashboard, look for the option labeled Add a Site. It's usually easy to spot near the top or center of the page. Go ahead and click that. Cloudflare will now ask you to enter the domain name you want to add. Type in your domain exactly as it appears in Namecheap, for example, example.com. There's no need to add HTTPS or www here, just the core domain name. When you've typed it in correctly, continue to the next step. Cloudflare will now show you a list of available plans. Today, we're going to focus on the free option, which is perfectly fine for most personal sites, small business websites, and basic projects. Scroll down to the bottom of the list and find the free tier. Take a moment to notice what it includes, then click Continue. If you ever need advanced features later, you can always upgrade, but starting on the free plan is a great way to get familiar with Cloudflare. Next, Cloudflare will perform a scan of your existing DNS records. This means it's going to reach out and try to detect the DNS settings currently in place at Namecheap, such as where your website is hosted and how your email is routed. This scan usually only takes a few seconds, and when it's finished, Cloudflare will show you a list of DNS records it found. This part is important, so don't rush through it. You'll want to carefully review the DNS records that Cloudflare has imported. Look specifically for your A records and your MX records. The A records usually point your domain to the IP address of your web server, essentially telling the internet where your website lives. The MX records handle email, telling email services where to deliver messages for your domain. Make sure your main website A record is there. It might be listed under your root domain like example.com, and possibly also for www. If something is missing, you may need to go back into your Namecheap account later and confirm what those records should be. Also check that your MX records are present and accurate. If you use a dedicated email provider, those records are essential for keeping your email working as expected. If all the key records look correct, you're ready to move on. When you're confident that the A records and MX records match what you expect from your Namecheap setup, click Continue. Cloudflare will save those DNS settings and move you to the final parts of the setup, where you'll update your name servers in Namecheap so that Cloudflare can start managing your traffic. And that's all you need to do at this stage to add your Namecheap domain to your Cloudflare dashboard.